So, certificate distribution has been done. Or I want to introduce you to my northeastern brother and sisters. Brother, brothers and sister, I would say. Three of them came, and I want to see क्या experience है उन लोग का अभी. अभी हम on the spot कर रहा है. ये दो यहाँ पे बैठा है. एक वहाँ पे बैठा है. One of them is sitting there. He's looking at the camera right now. Very handsome and beautiful people I have brought. So Awang, this is your advanced training. So what do you have to say? In short, okay. कैसा है तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस बताओ ना यहाँ पे. अभी तुम रांची में आएगा बोला लेकिन गुमला में आ गया.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, लेकिन हम लोग को रांची में रुका नहीं और मेरे को यही तो कि मेरा बारे में कोई बने, मेरे साथ दो साथी आया था तो दोनों को अच्छे से घुमा नहीं पा रहा है, तो वही तो मेरे को थोड़ा मुश्किल लगा. अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम आने से वो दोनों को थोड़ा घुमाना है, यही तो मेरा प्लानिंग है.
ओके, लेकिन ट्रेनिंग में क्या सीखा वो भी बताओ ना.
ट्रेनिंग में तो बहुत चीज सीखा, बांस में पता नहीं क्या क्या सीखा और क्या क्या भी बोल किया, पता नहीं, दिमाग गरम हो रहा है, सो नहीं पा रहा है, आराम से खाना ठीक टाइम में नहीं खा रहा है. पूरा 5 दिन एकदम मस्त किया.
बट ये नागालैंड से आने का क्या थोड़ा फायदा हुआ ना. नहीं
फायदा हुआ क्योंकि मैंने बहुत चीज सीखा और स्पेशली मैंने एक क्या है कि मैंने यहाँ पर आके मेरा फेसबुक का मोनेटाइज किया, अभी से अर्निंग शुरू होने वाला है.
Congratulations. अभी मूवी देखने वाले हैं हम लोग सब, तो मैं व्लॉग को थोड़ा देर बंद करेगा, उसके बाद शुरू करेगा. ठीक है, बाय.
मेरे मंगरू दादा
वाह,
वहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. मंगरू दादा लग रहे हैं ना बिल्कुल मोदी की तरह.
ये सब काल्पनिक है, इसे खाली एंजॉय कीजिए.
क्या बात है. That's me. Okay, that was just our friends. Wow, this is just amazing. 5 days summed up in few minutes.
बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय.
That is my shadow. वो बस्तर से.
कुछ पाने की हो आस पास, कोई करना हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को बार बार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को चीर ले आशाएं, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, आशाएं उम्मीदें अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी। आशाएं मेरे दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Wow! Whee! So there was a little movie break because this is the final day. Now my friends are leaving. Jimmy is here. She's all the way from Karbi Anglong. पहले भी अभी कलकत्ता से आया है तो दिखता है वो पढ़ाई करने आया था लेकिन यहाँ पे उसका टाइम वेस्ट हुआ ना नहीं हुआ पूछता है.
Hello everyone. You're welcome to Brother Stongbang's channel.
Hey, how is it? Did you waste your time or was it good?
Oh, it's superb, yeah, 10 on 10. But in my certificate, my name is wrong, yeah. They spell it wrong, yeah. I feel really bad. Even I'm not in the group. I'm not even in the group sticker also. But I enjoyed. Like and subscribe and share, okay?
Yeah, and will you be making more videos or not?
More coming. Please check to my channel.
What's your channel name?
It's Jirisme.
Jir is me.
Jirisme.
In Instagram, right?
No, even my YouTube channel is with that name.
We'll give it in comment and description, okay?
Yes.
And then next to me is someone who is now very special to many people in here, mainland India. Okay, good night, Jeffrey. So many people here in mainland India are after this guy. I'm having a hard time controlling him, man. So everyone for Atsungba, you are coming all the way from Nagaland again, and then from Kifri, no? So it's very far end, bordering Myanmar. So do you think it's a waste of time, or what do you feel?
Not at all, not at all. I really had a good time out here, and then it was really fun. It was fun at the same time learning a lot about our India. So at first, I actually thought that tribal people existed only within the northeast region, but we have been enlightened that there are lots we need to learn more about India.
Oh, thank you, thank you. And then you are a very good creator, okay? Before even coming to ALM or anything, you knew how to make videos and all. But after coming here, did you find any new friends to collaborate with, or did you find any challenge? You know, like someone who is up to your level also.
No, I've met lots of friends, but then I don't see anybody as a challenge because we all have our own niche, and then like we all have our own ways of making the videos. So I think if I improve myself, then I think that's what it really means for me.
That's an amazing way of putting it. Your thoughts are appreciated because over the whole program, I will tell you, as a facilitator and then the person who has been watching around every participant, I felt you have been very humble with all the prestigious awards that you have got in your state, you know, and then and in your young age, you are doing a lot of things. He's an entrepreneur as well, and he's an adventurer. Please check him out. He's also available in social media. You can name your
Atsungba. It's Atsungba, just Atsungba. ATSUNGBA, that's it.
and then we'll type it out for everyone. Okay. Thank you, Atsung, for coming. Thank you for joining. तो ये हुआ मेरे नागालैंड के तीनों साथियों का.
So you can see that they had a wonderful experience with different tribes, you know, some from Rajasthan, the Bhil communities, the Gonds, you know, Muria, Maria, and you can see there is also whole community from Santal and Orang, Korea, Karbi, and then from Nagaland, Sanctum, and then Konyak tribe, of course, myself and Ao. So there were a lot of different people, different tribes from different parts of the country who have taken up content creation to showcase their community's challenges, beauty, and to share hope and the Adivasi or indigenous lifestyle to the world. There's a lot to learn from the tribal Adivasi communities across India, and it's a blessing to be here with them.